Welcome everyone to this video. I'm Adam, and I'm recording this video to share with you in a brief way my experience with Me-Mitolyn over 6 months. I'm going to tell you if it really works, if I managed to lose weight, if I reached my goals. I'll teach you the correct way to use this product and also share if I had any side effects. So it's a pretty simple video, but I'm sure it will help you a lot in clearing up your doubts. Okay? I have some warnings to share with you as well. In this video, I want to make it very clear that it is only authorized to be sold on the official website of the Me-Mitolyn manufacturer. There's no point in looking elsewhere because you won't find it there. And if you find it somewhere else, you should raise a red flag because it might not be the original product. I will leave below, in the description of this video, also pinned in the first comment, the link to where I bought it, which is the official Me-To website. So you can be sure that you will receive the original product at your home, okay? So it's here in the description of this video and pinned in the first comment, the Me-To. It is a 100% natural capsule product, and because it is 100% natural, there's nothing chemical in its composition, so you won't have any side effects. I have allergies and I really struggle with them, but during this 6-month period, I didn't have any issues. So that's a very positive point for me as well, that they took care of this aspect so that no one has any kind of personal issues. And you should take 2 capsules a day. This is a very important point that will ensure you get results. Okay, it's no use buying and taking it however you want, because this type of product is very well studied. It was very thoroughly checked before hitting the market, so you should take it the right way. You shouldn't take 1. You shouldn't take 3 capsules. It's 2 capsules a day. I take one when I wake up and another one before bed, okay guys? I had gained a lot of weight in a short period of time. I really had gained a lot. My clothes were no longer looking good on my body. They weren't fitting well. It's not that it didn't work, it's just that I didn't feel it. Better in the mirror, I didn't feel good when I looked in the mirror, and that's when I decided to do something. Take some action, okay? Because I wasn't able to deal with the situation, I couldn't stick to a diet, I was having emotional problems. And only those who are going through this know how complicated it is and how our self-esteem drops even more. And that's when, through a friend of mine, he mentioned that he had used Mitolyn for about 2 months. Some time ago, I wasn't even taking it at the moment, but he told me about this product, recommended the official website to me, and explained what I'm explaining to you. And I liked the page, I liked seeing many people saying they had results, that it's a well-known product, and I decided to buy it. And I, taking it the right way, folks, after 5 days of it arriving at my house, I already saw results in the first month. One thing I really like is that Mitolyn helps us suppress our appetite. We don't feel like eating fast food, sweets, or junk food, and that really helps a lot in the weight loss process. So, in the first month, I had already lost quite a bit of weight. But starting from the 3rd month, it really burns a lot. It really burns a lot. It burns all the fat. I'm thrilled with the product. I'd buy again. 6 jars recommended, but 1 or 3 work. And I would buy it again with my eyes closed. I recommend that you go for a treatment of up to 6 jars. But if you don't have that option, or if you don't want to, you can definitely do the treatment with 1 jar or with 3 jars normally, alright? Just make sure not to buy from anywhere other than the official site, as that could cause you some problems. The access is here in the video description, pinned in the first comment. And I'll be wrapping up here.